Hey guys, welcome. Today in this video we are going to discuss about Java. Till the end of this video you will know why Java is suitable for you if you are new in the field of programming and what are the key benefits of learning Java. And at the end I will tell you what you can do if you know Java, what type of applications you can develop if you have command over the Java. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, for understanding the definition of a programming language, let's take an example. Consider there are the two persons, person A and person B. Now if person A has to get anything done by person B, then person A will use a medium to make person B understand this. Now in the case of human, that medium can be in language like English, Urdu or Arabic or body language. But in the case of computer, these language does not work to give orders to computer. So we need another type of languages, and those languages are called programming languages. In simple words, programming language is a medium of communication between human and computer. There are the several types of programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, C#, and so many. But in this series we are going to learn Java. Now it is turn to answer the question why Java is suitable for beginners. For the answer of this question, we just need to have a glance on the key features of Java. Here are they. Today more than 3 billion devices run programs written in Java. This means it has got so many usages. This is fast and secure, and there is a community of tens of millions of developers. This is platform independent. It means you can write your code on one computer which has some type of specific hardware specification, and the same code can be run on the other computer which has some other hardware specification. Its syntax is more likely other popular programming languages like C, C++. So if you have a good knowledge of Java, then you can switch to these other programming languages easily. This is a reason to choose it in the beginning of your programming career. More important feature is that it follows the object-oriented approach. Now what does it mean? It means while you develop an application, you think of the structure and the design of that application as a real world entity. You design and develop application like you are making a car. You just create its parts and join them, and if one part failed to work, then you just need to change that only one part. You will get this concept of object orientation very clear when we will start coding. Now it's time to answer the question that what you will do if you have a command over Java. Of course, till the end of this series you will have that enough command, so you can develop a variety of applications if you have command over Java. For example, mobile applications, especially Android apps, desktop applications, web applications, web servers and application servers, games, database connections, and so many things. In the next video of this series, we will start writing code in Java. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may get notification of new videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.